Chocolate moist cake is a delicious and popular cake. Make it with this recipe, and I'm sure you'll fall in love with its unique taste and texture, so be sure to save it because you'll need it. Well, first we prepare the cake. We beat the eggs along with sugar and vanilla at high speed for about 5 minutes until our mixture becomes creamy and voluminous. Make sure to scrape the sides and bottom once or twice. After the mixture reaches this stage, we add warm milk along with liquid oil to our mixture. We mix the ingredients for about 20 seconds. Now, we add the sifted flour and baking powder along with cocoa powder to our mixture in 2 or 3 stages. We mix it with a hand whisker at low speed with an electric mixer until our mixture becomes completely smooth. The consistency of our mixture should be like this. Now, we pour the mixture into the mold, which we have lined with parchment paper, and tap the mold 3 times on the counter. Then we place it in the preheated oven. Now we prepare the sauce. We pour the milk along with sugar, cocoa powder, and oil into a suitable container. Mix it a bit with a whisk, then place it over medium heat. We keep stirring constantly until our mixture becomes smooth. As soon as it starts boiling, we remove it from the heat. Once we remove it from the heat, we add dark chocolate to it and stir until it becomes smooth. After a few minutes, we test the cake with a wooden skewer. If nothing sticks to it, we take it out, then flip the mold and remove the parchment paper. Now, we return the cake upside down to the mold and cut it into desired sizes. After cutting the cake, we use a wooden skewer to poke holes all over the cake for the sauce. We pour the sauce over the cake evenly. After pouring the sauce all over the cake, let it rest for about 2 to 3 hours so the sauce is fully absorbed. Finally, you can top your cake with ganache or, like me, pour caramel sauce over it, which I will show you how to make.